I didn't know that the big. I didn't know the big win time was that we got it. You would not kill my allies. That is my ult. Okay, go. Sit there. Okay, go. Go ahead. You know where Clove is. Go there. I'll protect your body. Don't worry.
ECB's Donich says situation can change quickly until the next meeting. The uncertainty around Middle East is still elevated, and the July ECB pause may be appropriate based on the current data. There's no urgency to hike if energy prices stay subdued.
I can do. I only wanna be with you. All right, let's go. All right, we got the sweep here. Let's see what happens with the reaction. Might not give us anything here. This thing is ripping up again. Some kind of news just came out. Looks like Europe is talking. I'm not gonna lie, I want to fucking short just like one here. Just like a sympathy pullback, nothing crazy. Just because that was a huge candle. 507, 30 points. I don't see why it doesn't come back just a little bit. Hi, Mrs. Powers. Bariwa.
New team is looking. You know they both sides are not like.
All right, still going up. I only got one in, so it's not like crazy. Oh, where's my TP? I'll be with you. Oh, no, wrong one. Back window.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Yay! What's up, Costanis? What'd it do? Yeah, sorry. When the nights that I work, I don't get home till like 6 a.m. So like, need some sleep. Plus, I was packing. I go on vacation tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to stream like an hour a day. Well, like an hour a day. I can't help to think that this is gonna come back just a little bit. Could be completely wrong on that one. Mr. Bastard! Thank you for the rose, Castanis. You're always spoiling me, bro. How'd you guys do today in your trading? Call me the space cowboy. I don't see why it doesn't pull back just a little bit. If you look at this huge candle compared to everything else, you feel like it's just going to pull back a little bit. 518s probably, but I want it to just pull back to like 523. So I'm giving it some, just a little scalperoo, you know? We're up 1,000 already in the day. Oh, really? That's good. That's amazing. Or did you lose that funded? I'm confused. MNQ1. So try MNQU6. Try MNQU6. Oh, you messed it up bad. Oh, you're taking a break? MQU6. What are you using? Barawa. Today looked like it was a grind fest. So if you tried to reverse that for a minute, you probably got smackarooed, bro. Something is going on with my Discord because I can't type anything at all. Reset it. See. Reset.
Why would I raise it?
Well, I think reset should do it. Yeah, I go to Tennessee tomorrow. You're the only 10 I see. Loser. Oh, there we go. Nice little $40 out of it. I'm okay with it. Pretty sure I'm have enough for a payout right now. Big break. First time seeing chart in these days, and it's through your live. I love it. Let's do it together, Castanis. Vacation. Go on vacation. It's kind of funny. So how I found out about this place was I used, my girl Nova. I was like, I'm kind of like over the island stuff. Island boy. And the beaches. And I'm like, I need
Daddy?
something
Daddy?
different.
Is that you? Is that you? Hi, Sue. Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I'm like, I need something different. I asked Nova, right? And Nova's like, I got the perfect thing for you. And it's like, you liked Myrtle Beach? I was like, I did like Myrtle Beach. I'm like, that place was awesome. He's like, I got it for you. I got it for you. Myrtle Beach.
They say money
in
can't
the
buy
mountains.
happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
I'm like, what? Sign me the fuck up, bro. I never even heard of this place, like Pigeon Forge. What? Thanks for the share, bro. Never been to Tennessee either. I just got back from the IRS. Oh my God, Texas. Sounds terrible. What? Yes, I was like, sign me up, bro. Myrtle Beach in the mountains? Let's do this. I usually throw a massive party for July 4th at my house. This is the first year I'm like not doing it in like 7 years. And I had to do it on the 250th anniversary. I feel so bad. But where I'm going, you're going to do a massive like celebration too. What are you guys doing on July 4th? You guys like buy fireworks and stuff? I usually buy like $1,000 worth of fireworks, and then we just like jump in it naked. What? When's the next giveaway? I was trying to think about that. So the next giveaway, I think I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna announce it, but I'm gonna have to probably do it on YT. I need more followers on YT just in case TikTok wants to like keep doing this to me. Sebastian going to my daughter's. Nice. From this cloud. I'm trying to figure out when I should do the giveaway. I am gonna stream like maybe an hour a day when I'm out there, give or take. What do you need? What buffer do you need for the Pro? I should know that, and I don't know it. Anybody know? Yeah, me and Castanis are broke, so we need them accounts. I gotta check. Hold on. I do have 150K flex. Do you do when it all comes down? But I still got 15 days, so I can request another one. I would feel better if I gave away next week, to be honest with you, so I don't rush. And we're gonna be giving away on YT. I'm gonna announce it and everything, but you guys just gotta join YT and follow. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And the giveaway will be on there. Just because I need to build it up for a safety net. A safety net. Yeah, I got one left. But I can request one in 15 days. I feel like I should do it next week, guys. I could do more, but a lot of you guys slowed down on using my code. I don't know if you guys are broke or just fed up with the market lately. Like them bottles, baby. Like them bottles. You say, do you do when it all comes down? No, my down. All right, I gotta see how much money I need for this funded pro. I can't remember. I never do funded pros. There's always flex. It says under buffer. What's the buffer? This town, this clown. Let's see. I can't remember. All right, we might get a short here soon. Day trade dad, what up, bro? If you want to call me baby. Profits are earned with consistency. All right, we're looking for a short soon. Nice. Hopefully you use code BULLY, Mr. Day Trade Dad, all caps. It is on their main page. Oh, I need 52,100. What do I have now? I got 1,800. Oh man, I need to make a few more dollars. We're not gonna rush it though. We're not gonna rush it. We're not gonna rush it. And how much can you make? If you don't call me baby. So you need 21. So like Flex is a lot better, I think. All right, let's pay attention here. Might get a short here. Oh man, how did you get the discount then? It's all good. I was gonna say it gets you an extra chance to win a giveaway. Every time you guys use my code, there's a receipt section in my Discord. You just post it there, and for that month or whatever I go back to, you get an extra slot, an extra chance to win. You just go and change it, bro. It's all good. So I need what, $400 more? Nice, nice. It helps me out so I can keep getting giveaways. I'm not making much from it, guys, trust me. I don't even think I make any money from it yet. I was doing okay with Apex, but they dropped me. Waiting to see if this is going crack. It looks like it wants to very, very badly. We're almost there. I really want this structure to be broken. And then we can short it to the downside. So what happened was 15-minute. This represents a 15-minute. 1-minute time frame breaks it. Can't really hold above it. So now we're going to see if it wants to fall. Later date, trade that. Let's see right here. Ready? Okay, it's still rejecting. Still rejecting. But it looks like it wants to break so bad. I don't want to pre-do it. But it looks Gucci. All right, let's see. Got 9 seconds left. Hope it doesn't fall too far. I kind of want like a slight pullback. Hope we can get like a little pullback, 539s. If not, you could get in now. I just want to see it pull back. How about I'm gonna do a starter, I think, because I don't want to there we go. All right, I'm cool with this. 1, 2. I really wanna do. Here's your stop loss. I'm looking for a target of at least 519s. You can easily keep going down. So I'm only in 2 right now. Thinking about going in 3. All right, I'm in 3. Stop loss will be about 548. And it won't be that crazy. Like it's a what, 10-point stop loss? So it's really not that bad. Now I'm going short. This is MNQ. Going short. All right, the reason why I'm in this 15-minute candle represented right here with this orange top to bottom. We drop down to the 1-minute time frame. You can see that this candle smashed through the top, support and resistance. It blasted through the resistance, and now it can't hold. It comes down, breaks that structure. That's where we enter the short. Now, safe bet, we could take TP at the 50% pullback from on the 15-minute chart, or we can hold it to see if it wants to swipe the entire thing. Totally up to you, or take partials. Let's see what happens. There is an order block here. If it breaks through it, we're going to be Gucci, I think. Want to go in more. Just don't want to go in too heavy, you know, in case I'm wrong. Going short. I really want to add into this. I'm going to add one more. Sometime, baby, baby. Goodbye. Isn't that a bullish 15-minute? Could be. But candle swiped, right? You go to the 15-minute and it's really not that bullish. It really struggled to like go up a lot. See? I mean, it could be a bullish flag, but I'm not really looking for like a 15-minute huge launch. I'm just looking for that pullback on the 1 minute, if that makes sense. And then it's the beginning of the structure of that break. I want something else to get me through this. Baby, baby. So, like, see how it tried to go up, and now it's just not maintaining that trend line again. So, overall, on the 15-minute, it could be long, but we don't know yet. You don't want to, like, predict what it possibly can be. I'm just reacting on what it's giving me.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? The sheepo. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
I'm trading MNQ. Didn't know such a thing as a CME. I only have CFDs on my broker. Oh, so, just look up what's equivalent to Nasdaq on CFDs. I actually don't know that on top of my head. It's Nasdaq. It's basically the same thing. That's why we like prop firms, like, and I think it's the way to go, honestly. I'm assuming you're from another country. There you go, Daddy. Let's go. Now, a new 15-minute candle was created. So we're going to see on how it reacts here when it gets to this 519 areas, and then we're going to have to adjust. Sometimes it'll rip through, sometimes it
NYMEX
won't.
WTI crude August futures settle at $69.50 a barrel, down $1.25 or 1.77%. NYMEX gasoline July futures settle at around $3.01 a gallon. NYMEX diesel July futures settle at around $3.31 a gallon. And NYMEX natural gas August futures settle at around $3.27.
We are on an order block here too, so we got to see how it reacts for sure. Because if it starts rejecting here, it won't be good. All right, here comes the drop. I feel like it's going to reject more. Hold my hand. I'm not liking it. Shoot. What do you guys think? I'm not liking it. We could just get out for profit now. Not no more. See how it just rejected that? I mean, it can easily just reject the area of 538. So we're going to have to see. Look beautiful, man. It look beautiful. Yeah, NQ100 is same thing. 5 minute. Let's see. The whole thing is consolidating. And it is starting to hold, right? So you could be right. Could be right. But I do believe this is the beginning of the weakness. I definitely think it's the beginning of the weakness. But we'll see. Also, like, if you were shorting it right now and you're just, like, nervous, you could take some out. Just take some out then. You know? Daddy ain't scared. If I lose it, I'll lose it. But it's got to show. I feel like it wants to come down a little bit more. I mean, this is a 78% pullback, though. So, like, if it does want a slingshot, it can. So we're going to go with what we're originally thought. In the sun. Just really weak sauce, period. The movement. Let's see if what this 50% was. We could have hit that 50% and stalled already on the way up. Yeah, see, 535. So that could have just been the 50%, and now we're going to continue to drop. What you gonna do? Shop around and drive me crazy. If you guys aren't following, hit that follow button. Yeah, we definitely need more volume. This thing is real sloppy top, you know what I mean? I would say it's still bearish. It doesn't have the drive right now to rip up. It also doesn't have a drive to fall either, so pick your poison, I guess, right? And if we get knocked out, it's 10 points. I think it'll be like $80 loss. But pretty confident in it. 269. That's really far away from where I'm at. Pariwa. We're at 30,531. But maybe your NAS 100 might be way different. The price moves the same, but the chart can look different. Inside. I don't know what song I want. Great song. Huh. I'm a loser, baby. Taking a really long time, this movement here. You see this trend line here? I'm sure if it breaks, it should smash through. Got a hold though. Oh, I don't think you should have installed it. What won't it do? 32.17. So the dip on the chart right here. So it's not big. It's not different from the price action. Just the chart looks different. Gives you the option to share your screen. Yeah, you actually can share your screen with me. I'm not really sure what you mean. Like, what you're saying is doing. Want to do how I type with you on Discord? Oh, just like regular type? I don't know. It shouldn't be anything. It should just work. Maybe it's just glitched right now. Maybe the servers are messed up. Just wait. I would uninstall it. I meant just close it and come back into it. Maybe something's wrong. Let me see. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong. I'm not sure, young lady. I'm not sure, young lady. Maybe there's a... Maybe Discord's acting up. This is acting way too, way too sideways. It might take us out. And then we'll look for another entry. But can't do much if it's chapping, boys and girls. I'm a loser, baby. Mang. Mang, mang, mang. There you go. Powers, it works. I see you. Oh, I'm gonna get tapped out. Alright, I lost. Watch this thing come down. I'm still in one for some reason. Now I'm curious. If this thing comes down now, it's so manipulated. I see the image of you. Yeah. You mean like your icon or your screen? I don't see your screen. Yeah, this might pop up, guys. Thing is, I'm trying too long here. I think it wants up now. I lost. Showing me here. He's looking at me. What, you wanted to go up? It looks like it wants to go up from your screen. Ariwa. Oh, I could tell. You mean the price, maybe? 32.50. Oh yeah, it's way different. I mean, it still moves the same. It's just different. It's probably gonna take out this 4 hour and the 1 hour, guys. It did not want to go down. We almost had our TP, but it didn't go. Should have took profit when it just did not go down. All right, pull back. I keep thinking it keeps going up.
Iran's top negotiator Galaba says current meeting held by Iran are aimed at fulfilling the MOU commitments.
You can always open up another trading view one to look at the chart. Oh my god, it just comes down now, dude. I'm gonna be so mad. So mad! I think it wants to go back up, though. I'm going to go in too heavy and mess my whole thing up. I think it needs to wipe this out again, but who knows? Probably in an upward momentum, though, I think. Minimum needs to come up here and take this out, I think. Rip up daddy. I think
Brent crude futures settle at $72.92 a
full
barrel,
flag? Full
down
flag?
23 cents or 0.31%. Iran's top negotiator Galabaf says Iran will not enter further negotiations until conditions in the MOU are met.
Come on, let's get this money back, baby. Come on. I think it wants this 4-hour high here. 563s would make sense. Don't want to be greedy here. I just don't want it to putt around, you know? There you go. All right, we got that break. Sometimes you got to adapt. There you go, right there. Watch it stop. Are you kidding me? Swipe it. Swipe it. There we go. All right, cool. That 4-hour was swiped. All right, souls are starting to get collected here. Soul flag, baby. I'm going to take one more out. We got one left. We're going to see buys. Yeah, it could go either, you know, it's breaking to the top side now, for sure. If this closes bullish, we're going to have a nice little fair value gap here, and we might be able to get the reversal. Nice. Sometime by myself. Been there she was. What was the news? Iran will not enter further negotiations until conditions in the MOU are met. So why is that bullish? Why is that bullish? Who's that in my... All right, I got stopped out. If it holds this, we Gucci. If not, we coming down. I'm down by myself. And there she was. Ooh. We gonna bounce or what? Who's that lounging? We're gonna see what happens here. It might have just wanted more souls, guys. That's why I ripped up. We did catch a little bit of on the way up, though. We were able to see that it was just breaking structure always at the top side. So we got a nice win there. But now we're gonna see what happens. Momentum slowed. We got this fair value gap here with the Soul Collector. Soul Collector is what it rips a huge major swing on the high. And it also lines up with the 4 hour and the 1 hour. 4 hour and the 1 hour. Oh, it looks bullish, man. I'm gonna try one long. Just one. Be careful though. Could easily come back down. Only is a dream, yeah. Just a starter. If it holds this, we're Gucci. If it can't hold this, it going down. Could be a really bad one too. Uh-oh. Let's see. Still got 1 minute left. Yeah, but this candle's huge. I don't know if I can use this. We'd have to use the one. Rise into the streets. Light me up that cigarette. And oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Here we go. Got to find the reason why my money's all gone. I got a donation. Alright. Soul collecting for sure. I don't want to fuck up too bad because, damn. Dude, I knew it. I knew it! Because I was in this short before. This thing wanted the short, man, but it needed more souls. It already hit the 50%, guys, so I don't know how to play this one. Most likely it's going to come down, just like the old school, Let's see if it comes up a little. I want to short this, but... I mean, we already did the 50%. But Soul Collector style, what do? We target the blue line. 500s around. Farm soaks pots. See if it pulls back. And a little bit of a retouch again. I don't want to chase this. I have my volume profile POC set to the wrong session. Oh man, really? It all depends on how it's moving, Fariwa. I mean, since New York Open, this thing has launched up. All right, we're back to that. Whatever. I'm gonna try one short starter. I want to see this thing come down to 522s. Doing a starter. Let's see what happens with this fair value gap here. We just touched it now. I'm gonna do one more. Nick Graves trades. Yo, what's up, Beast? Check DM after stream. Okay. There we go. All right, nice rejection. A fair value gap? A fair value gap is when price rips through, like there's a lot of orders. Oh, I'm sorry. So fair value gap is when there's a huge push up through price, right? And it almost leaves a gap where there's a massive amount of orders there. So if you look at, say, this candle here where I drew, see how there's you got a candle going up, and then there's the next candle that just rips through, right? And then the next candle opens above. So now there's a gap in between where it's never retouched again. Usually, it wants to go in there and fill it up and then continue forward. But then there's a void. So when the void can't hold and it cracks through, you start to get the volume of the sellers to start coming down. It's basically the space between the three candles. You got your first candle, second candle's got to be, bullish or bearish. There's a gap, and it doesn't get touched in between these two candles. I'm going to say this is pretty good. See how it rejected off that fair value gap? Also, you got a little bit of
Israel's
a lower
Prime Minister
high
Netanyahu
forming
says
there.
there are more peace agreements on the agenda.
Well, I will. So there's an order block up here too, which is stronger in my opinion. I like order blocks more, Jeremy. So the fair value gap is just the first picture of it. The structure is not holding. An order block is when, if you look at this, it's the first, well, it's actually the candle before the reversal. So you had this break above, and then it gets reversed to the downside. That's an order block. So when it comes back up and retests it, there's usually more orders in there to be filled, and then it will drop. If it blasts through it, then it's a sign that it's going to keep going, and sellers are not in control at all. And I'm in very small on this because it's gotten real sloppy, the price action. Like, it looks like it wants to fall, and it's not. We did hit the 50% many times already, so. I was born like this, Drago. You don't have to be mean to me, man. You don't have to be mean to me. All right, see how that just kind of rejected? I'm going to do one more. If it breaks through, it breaks through. I'm okay with it. Really small price action, so it's not like killing me. We are kind of going against the bullish trend now, too. But when Daddy finds it and it starts to go, it'll go. Let me look at the 5-minute. I'm curious. It will never closed. I don't know, guys. Let's see. We really need this candle to start reversing here. Rings, I'll be here.
Iran's Caliber says it's been decided that Iran, the US, and Lebanon establish a committee to oversee the war at the end of the war in Lebanon.
What?
Daddy? Daddy? Is
Let me
that
put a
you?
stop loss
Is
just
that
in
you?
case. And monsters on me. There's a lot of news coming out too, man, in between. Just in case, dude. If I lose it, I lose it, and we'll just wait for a minute. Why do I prefer to trade during this time? I don't. My preferred time is 9:30 to 11. That's my favorite.
Stephanie! Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
There we go. Nice reversal. Right off the order block. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Here we go now. I kind of want to go in a little bit more aggressive now. If we lose it, we lose it. This is my strategy here, though. We can even do a partial take, and then we'll see if it comes down. So, stop loss above. But it's got the most volume in the morning. But some people don't like that because it just ravishes you. iPad works, just not the phone. Maybe you're logged on both. Come on, get a sweep down, get a lower high. Let's go. This is like a textbook right here. Textbook. I feel like I'm selling myself short by getting out there. There you go, Daddy. There you go. That's true. It's all like you're a value trader then. You sell it when it's high and buy when it's low. For the range. You're a ranger. Power Ranger. Oh man, we got another order
Galabav
block
says
here,
since
bro.
the day of the no blockade was lifted until today, we have exported more than 40 million barrels of oil.
What's it gonna do, guys? What's it gonna do? I mean, this is textbook right here. It needs to really crack, though. Maverick says, you can't trade. Look at that crazy chart. Oh, wow, Maverick. That hurt my feelings. Is it too much? Dude, if this rips up, I'm gonna be like, this is it doesn't care. It's adjusting to news then. But I think this looks good, man. You got Soul Collector rips down, breaks below the structure of the sweep. You also got an order block where it came back up, denied. I got 3 reasons to go down and 1 reason to go up. The 1 reason to go up is just news based. It doesn't care. It doesn't care. See, we're getting indecisions now. We got 1 bully block that got denied, and then we got a bullish block that got held. Why? Why? 5 minutes still very bullish too. Could just be fighting a real bull trend, guys. Looks beautiful, but overall trend is up right now. Power hour. I'm just giving back money now in power hour. I'm looking at all 3. Man, you suck, dude. It's gonna blast up. It's gonna keep going. See if we can get some of this. Completely wrong. It's just going up. Come on, rip up, rip up. Completely just bullish. It's just bullish as shit. Let's stop fighting the bulls. It looks so beautiful twice. Twice. It's not doing it. Keeps breaking. The 5 minutes holding. Maybe we should just wait for the 5 minutes.
Iran's Galabav says passage without cost in the Strait of Hormuz is only for 60 days per the Memorandum of Understanding.
Hitting a major ceiling. Oh. What a pain in the butt. Yeah, this thing is just bullish,
Galabav
guys.
also says the sovereignty of the Strait of Hormuz belongs to Iran and Oman, and the passage of Hormuz is subject to arrangements determined by Iran, although we consult with coastal nations of the Persian Gulf.
Brian is going to continue up. So shorts are not working. Not working at all. Going long, going long. 84s.
Galabath also states that we have absolutely no negotiations with anyone regarding the issue of resistance and resistance cells.
Oh, Rip City, dude. Rip City. Thing does not care. It's all news based now, guys. Just trying to adjust the news.
How do I get the demo?
So this is twice that I got stopped out and had to go along on the break of structure again. So the breakouts is what's really working so far. What's the next level here?
Galabath says enrichment is our right and we comply with the provisions of the Nuclear Proliferation Treaty.
Next level is 671. He's got himself a girl that I wanna make a mine.
So again, that was Galabath saying that enrichment is our right and we comply with the provisions of the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty.
Jesse's girl. I think it's easier gonna go to 600, but we're gonna scalp it out.
ECB's Kazakh says urgency of consecutive hikes
Wow.
significantly lower. If things improve, it's possible not to hike further. No current need for forceful inflation response. It's too hard to say what will happen in July and September.
Here we go. Let's take out 3 just in case. All right, we're out 3. We got 3 left. I feel like it's gonna rip back down to get more stability here and then go back up. There we go.
Galabath says until the first 5 clauses are fulfilled, we will not proceed to other matters.
Kind of looking for the 600s here. All right. This is a huge rip up. Hopefully to get another break up here and get a short. I want to short this thing. Did I take the morning long? No. I was sleeping. I worked last night. She hates me. La la la. Do not short until Asia, dude. I'm gonna do what I want. No, I shorted twice and I lost. It keeps ripping up. But, you know, the opportunity's there, the opportunity's there. I'm gonna take it. Because I'm gonna be right eventually. I need to rip through this 1 minute though. One big lie. This thing is whippy, dude. I needed to break this again, the 15-minute high. And then we could get a nice short to like 73s. This psyched a lot of people out right there, I can tell you that. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Oh, it's me, Daddy.
Honest Smoke, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Guys, hit that follow button if you're not following. $586 and $760. There we go. There we go. Moving my stop up. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Galabath, when talking about passage through the Strait of Hormuz, says restrictions should be imposed on the US and Israel, but traffic must increase. So he also added that we must increase prosperity of the Strait of Hormuz day by day. Restrictions should be imposed on the US and Israel, but traffic must increase.
Daddy, chill.
Moved my stop behind this candle because it's breaking the resistance line. So if that candle doesn't hold above, it's probably going to fall. So yeah, I fought it for the beginning. Oh, see? Let's see how this reacts though. I need this to close below. You could risk getting in, but let's not. Close below this makes me want to short it down to 571s. Wow, there it goes. Ah! Moving without us.
Galabath says oil sanctions have been lifted. We sell oil 20% more expensive.
Dude. I like taking advice, but I follow my own. But I do like to hear what you guys think. No, because is he penalty at Lumen? I don't trade Lumen. I don't know. And we use Lucid around here. Lucid, and I'm trying to get Trade Day. I kind of like their $60 accounts. You could do daily payouts on it at any price. It's like $500 you can take out. But there's a cost for taking it out early, but it's up to you, you know. I like the option. All right, we clearly closed, did not hit the 50 yet, so I am going to look for a short. I want to see this pull back up a little, and then we'll go from there. If we don't get it, we don't get it. I would not mind getting the 588 shorts, as long as it doesn't hit the 50 yet. If it's the 50, then I'm screwed. So, on Lucid, the evaluation, if you get the flex, it is a 50% consistency. The Pro has no consistency. You can pass in one day. Now, once you're funded, It changes. Lucid Flex has no consistency. They only care about 5 winning days separately of $200 or more. And then Pro is 40%, but there's a buffer. So it's like you pick your poison. But Flex I think is the best so far. Less rules, less to worry about. Just trade, you know? Just do your thing. Now, this has happened to me twice now, so we got to be careful. I think it hits the 72s. I'm getting a little I'm gonna go like this because I feel like Dirk Diggler. Well, it depends on which one. I recommend a 50K account, which would be $200 days. Then it's gonna go down, bro. I'm getting antsy. I'm getting antsy. It's gonna fucking crack. I really wanted to come back up to 588s first. I'm gonna wait. I need a good entry. Maverick says, close your eyes and go long today. All right, we're almost there. I would feel really good at 588s. You bitch. You bitch. Again, this happened to me twice today, though, guys. It pulls back and then it rips back up. So it's giving me shorts, but it just doesn't play out. But we're gonna keep trying it. Didn't hit the 50, so I think it goes down, dude. I had this fib here to see if we can get a little pullback, and then we can short it. Just fighting like crazy. I wonder if this is the 50%. Oh, man.
So
All right, I'm
Galabath,
gonna take
one
a
question about the blocked
short
funds
for here.
and
It's hitting
$12
at
billion.
50%.
The person says last week there was serious discussion that Trump said this money is only allowed to be used for buying grain, and that too from American farmers. Galabath says absolutely not.
If I lose $60, $80, it's fine. I would love for this to come down. I just don't know what it's gonna do. That 5 is way too far down to play it. The 1 minute's Gucci. I just don't know if it wants to keep going down to the bottom.
Galabath also says that the $12 billion have to be given to the central bank so that it can purchase any goods it needs at any price and in any currency worldwide. He also adds that this is possible and the process is underway.
Fuck, I moved this thing over. Arms around me, baby.
I'm thinking Marshall. I'm so jamming Marshall.
Out of the way, so I was confused, you guys. Yeah, 20% consistency is a lot, though. Hard to do. It's not hard, but it takes a long time. And the longer it takes, the easier they makes you fail. Thank you for the hearts. I appreciate you guys. We don't want it to take too long. We've dealt with this a few times now. But it should crack down, dude.
I have not changed that weapon for 4 rounds.
Come on, we need a good $300 winner right here. There you go, Daddy. There you go. We're at the 50% now. There you go. I need to go down a little more so I can do a break even. Look at this thing. This thing is so collecting and ripping back up, guys. We need to like a fresh crack. Sounds really awkward to say. Guys, hit that follow button. Hit that follow button. Crack down, dude. That 50% is holding again. I don't want to get back money. But see why this doesn't go down. But we did this before. We've done this twice now.
Guys, so I can finally buy an operator. I finally died.
No way. Yeah, flex. There's no worry. Literally, there's no worry on the flex. I'm telling you, it's so much easier in the mind on Lucid Flex. There just is no worry. It's end of day drawdown. Just don't lose a lot. And make $200 5 times. That's it. I need to make this like different somehow.
I can't do anything.
Black water. I want to get rid of this gray line. Don't know how to do it though. Me. I don't know how to do it. There you go, Daddy. There you go. All right, we're at that one now, guys. New fresh low. It just won't stay down. It keeps getting eaten up. Keeps getting eaten up, so please be careful. 18 seconds left. I'm going to put my stop loss above this. I'd rather not lose money. Go to the 15 real quick. So close below this is really going to send it down bad.
Right over here.
5-minute cloud is just holding, bro. Holding. And honestly, if it closes above, we're gonna continue back up. But we can't lose. We can't lose. It's you know, our TP's in green already. Our trailing stop loss. I think it's gonna hit it. But what you gonna do? Look at all those wicks to the downside. Oh, come on. I think I'm gonna get stopped out. Should I just close it? Or just man up and see what happens? This keeps getting eaten up here. So I'm not really sure who's doing the eating here. But I have my stop loss right on top of this candle just in case, and it's still in profit, so we're not going to lose. What weird price action. I wonder if it's just going to wait for MOC. Guys, if you're not following, hit that follow button. Help me out. Help me out. Help me grow. This thing just won't stop. All right, we're going back up. Going back long here. We're at the 50%. Look at how it just ripped. It just, as soon as it's that cloud, it just bumps to the top there. So we didn't lose. I did go in a little heavy to the long side, but I think it's going to go. We just broke above. I don't see why it doesn't. It might pull back to like 72s and then rip back up. I mean, I'm in a little aggressive here, but fuck it.
Ellie, go back to the skin. Dragon skin, Ellie.
Just not good price action, guys. I'm forcing stuff. If this comes back down, dude, I'm gonna be so fucking annoyed. Well, fuck yourself. Fuck you. Damn, I can't curse like this.
Get my operator prepared.
Sorry. I'm trying not to curse. But what a bitch, dude. I'm fucking right. You guys are making me double guess myself. I hit the 50 and then fucking drop, dude. Get back half there, dude. Just to watch it do what I thought it was gonna do. This is TP.
Yeah, flag. Let me flag solid. Let me flag solid.
Oh my god.
Wait, no. Can we all go A at number B?
Gotta bounce up. Just a little. But this is what I originally thought, and I went against myself. Alright, we got a little bit back there. You little shitheads. You little shitheads, dude. Alright, we got some of it back there. Yeah, it's not for everybody. So, like, if you can't, then go up higher in, you know, your charts. Go to the 5-minute if you can't handle the M. Not handle, but some people just don't like the M1, you know? Sometimes it is too much noise to them. It's not noise to me. I can, like, put it together, but I also been trading a long time, you know? I'm gonna get it back. I'm gonna get it back. It just annoys. It more annoys me that it just did what I thought it was gonna do. The M5 finally broke. We're about to see right now. Pretty sure this has potential to fall to 421s, but it's got to break below and hold below this yellow line here. It looks like it wants to really bad.
According to Candy's reporter, regards to a potential withdrawal from Southern Lebanon, a security official
wants to fall.
said that no timelines, the withdrawal will happen, but it must be done properly.
I really want to think this is gonna fall. Just doubting myself here. Just doubting myself. MOC's in 10 minutes. What do you
Further
guys
from
think?
Can News, they say withdrawal of forces will only take place after clear criteria is set, which the Lebanese army commits to act immediately against Hezbollah militants and the organization's infrastructures.
Oh, thank God I didn't do it. Five-minute got that jump. It might be long. Let's see. All right, $60 right there. I don't know if it's gonna juggle around or what. I see both ways, so please be careful. Please be careful going both ways. I see so many different things. Like 5 minutes, definitely bullish. Like it finally just broke this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles, and it finally just broke one of them to the upside. So we're looking at that for the long.
Sorry, I don't know the person selected one time.
Can't help things gonna just rip up, dude.
You're not getting selected. You're not. Either. I trust.
When the market goes back to normal, or if it ever does and it starts moving slowly, we're gonna have no nerves left. We're gonna be able to go like 50 contracts and not feel a thing.
No, we're not. Even though we're 5 months ahead, we're not winning.
You know, like a year ago, these moves would have been like, "You're done for the day, bro." Like, yeah, I made money. I'm rich. Now I'm going in heavy because it's like normal. I wish I trusted myself there a little more. My strategy works. I need to do it. I know there was 2 wrong, but you know, it's not gonna always be. If it's 3 in a row, that's crazy. Like, just get off. And that was the dump I needed.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay.
Look at that touch, and then it could pull back and then rip back up. But it's still pretty bullish on the higher time frames. If this 5-minute fails, then will not be good because this looks bullish, and it's getting denied again. I mean, the 1 minute, this was a denial here. Let's just get out green, and then we'll reassess. We'll reassess. I don't want to force anything, you know. I'm close to another payout. I can pay for my hotel for my vacation. There it goes. Damn. It's like the move's just doing a little, just wait a little longer and the move works. All right, let's see this spike up. Keep in touch. All right, we got 4.5 minutes to MOC. MOC is when they either inject money into the market or they take money out of the market. In the past few weeks, you know, 500 million used to be a lot. It's been doing $3 to $6 billion they've been taking out or injecting, which is insane. We're talking about a quadruple market value in weeks. So I can't help think it's gonna go up, but it's a good denial there too. Again, you see how it just denies? I think this wants to fucking fall, dude. I'm going in. This thing is fighting. I think it should have fell an hour ago. Really think it's going down. 418s maybe. Okay, just broke that low. We are at the 50% already on that candle. I just don't know. I'm leaning more towards fall. Keeps getting denied now to the top side. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
All right, 2 minutes, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm 3 micros short, but in top step going to probably drag me. Yeah, you have that shitty luck, bro. Down, but been thinking that most of the day. Exactly, Mr. Bass. That's what's throwing me off, dude. All right, we got 2 minutes to decide here. Closing time. That is your luck. User 13. I feel like it's been like that for you for like weeks, dude. I won't be on till 4:10 anyway. I got to get off and exercise real quick and then go to work. All right, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Oh, wow, bar. Sometimes it's a little different, though, in the back test. You got to manually do it.
1 minute to go now to view the market and close imbalance data.
All right, 40 seconds. 40 seconds. I'm going to take one out. Just in case. I feel better with 3. Yeah, I know you're using who you using, MetaTrader?
10 seconds.
There you go. Come on, give me the news.
Market and close imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 577 million. Nasdaq 100 sell side 741 million. Dow 30 buy side 1.2 billion.
Not that big.
Mag 7 sell side 373 million.
They took out $741 million. There you go. I'll have to check in a minute. Bariua. This is what I've been waiting for. Like, we can go down 497s, even 418s. I don't want to be greedy either. Let me take one out. But this is juicy to go down. Yeah, I'll check it out, Barua. Sometimes they're good and sometimes they're not. Like sometimes you manually got to do it yourself, and you'll see like in the real markets, it might not work correctly. You know, news base. If you can skip the news, it works better. Starting to crack here in the 5. Still got 2 minutes left though. Ah, the thing won't hold, dude. It won't hold.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you? Cosa Nostra, welcome to the cell then.
Daddy, chill.
It's a good base to start at though.
Oh, the 2 heirloom packs are out. Damn, I need to finish it.
Baby. Let's look at that 5 minute. Dude, we still got to close in the 5 minute. Wow, dude. This thing's insane. All right, I'm going to take another one out. I don't. Wow. Wow. It's insane. It's insane. This price action is really hard, so don't beat yourself up. One thing you need to do is make sure you just money management.
Apex is download one.
I would have a procedure looking at your chart. Well, you got too much on there. This is huge, dude. Can I get a short out of this? Watch it just keep going. Makes no sense. Come on, crack down. Baby.
So just Adam tidbits then to what Caliber said about them selling oil 20% more expensive. It says that previously due to sanctions, we had to sell our oil at a discount. Here we must thank China as Iran's most important oil customer, although our sales were not limited to China. He also did say that today, Iran's
my
oil is
drowning?
sold at Brent oil prices and international rates.
Dude, it wants to go up too at the same time. I think it wants up now. I kind of feel like I'm guessing a little bit now, so I should probably chill after this. I mean, you got like this 2-bar pullback. I think it should pop back up one more time. But I don't want to guess, dude. I don't want to get back to money. These charts are really hard. Baby. I feel like it should break 600, but who knows? Who knows with this market? 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. And it really wasn't that big of a MOC where they take out the money. So I can see this keep going up too at the same time. So like, I know I'm fighting back and forth. I'm like, it's going to go down. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. And it doesn't. Keeps holding. Dude, look at this 5-minute. Oh my god. On the long term, it's going down. It hasn't even broken the ADR. If it breaks it, that's a whole other story. Yeah. It won't crack it. It won't hold. Got one lap. Just spun my wheels. I don't think I really made any money since I got live on here. I'm up $1,100 in a day, but pretty sure I almost had that when I got on. Spinning my wheels, baby. Spinning my wheels. What is this? See if it bounces. Got about a minute left. Tomorrow. Now it's gonna fucking break. You still in your short, user 13? Dude, this is gonna fucking hurt me. $200 on this fucking move here. 2 micros doesn't move all day, and now it's gonna do exactly what I wanted it to. I gotta be careful. Silly fucking move right now. Silly move. Come on, rip up. Get a bounce. Come on. Get up there. Don't do what I thought you were gonna do all day. Don't do it today. This is a big ass candle, you're right. 100 points. All right, market's closed. Rip up, rip up, rip up.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Mira, thank you for the heart. You too, Maria. Pop up. I'll walk away. Close above this, we're going up. Something takes love.
Continue post reporter on X. They say administration official confirmed to them that the US has not released any of the $6 billion in Iranian prison funds for humanitarian goods as set forth in the MOU and won't
Think it's
until
bullish.
Iran performs.
Sounds bullish. The news. Come on. Come on, big block here. Go up.
So for the month, the S&P 500 fell 1.1%, the Dow rose 2.5%, and the Nasdaq fell 2.8%. For the quarter, the S&P rose 14.9%, the Dow rose 12.9%, the Nasdaq rose 21.4%. And the S&P 500 and Nasdaq quarterly gains are the biggest since Q2 of 2020. The Dow notches record high close.
You're the prettiest thing that I ever did see. Peaches wanna shake your tree. Trying to have patience here. It should go back to the 50%, but I need it to close above the structure. Got a doji candle. Needs to go above it. Can close above it, we Gochi.
Treasury futures extend slide on high volume at month-end close.
OB at 96. It wants to go. Telling you it wants to go up again. But it's fighting. That yellow line. There it goes. Come on, come on, come on. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. Oh my.
10 minutes ago now to get earnings for Nike.
What
for
is
Nike
wrong
Q4
with this
2026
today?
with an EPS estimate of 12 cents, revenue estimate of $10.84 billion.
Everything's twice here. All three.
Daddy? Daddy, is that
Crazy.
you? Is that you?
King Paul.
King Paul, welcome to the saddle then.
Daddy, chill.
It's crazy.
Yeah, where was might be stuff? I mean,
Get up there.
you're not invisible.
The market makers are stream sniping me today. There you go. Got to rip to the moon. Got to rip to the moon.
Let's take a look at the market wrap then for the US session. US stocks ended their strongest quarter in 6 years on a positive note, with semiconductor shares extending their rally from the war-driven lows and fresh economic data reinforcing confidence in the outlook for corporate earnings. The rally, which added more than $8 trillion to the S&P 500's market value for the past 3 months, continued as reports pointed to resilience to both the labor market and consumer sentiment. Tech stocks led the advance, with the Nasdaq 100 rising 1.7%, while its
I'm
semiconductor
sure they
index
do sometimes.
completed its strongest
The
quarter
majority, if
on
not
record.
me personally.
Treasuries declined and oil prices fell on optimism that a permanent agreement to end the Iran conflict is moving closer. The latest economic data continue to highlight underlying strength in the US economy. Although higher prices during the Middle East conflict have weighed on consumer confidence and reduced real wage growth,
9
demand
seconds.
for workers has remained firm, and consumer spending has continued to support economic activity.
All right, I think we're Gucci, guys. I think we're Gucci. I think we Gucci.
I hear someone.
Get up there, boy. Get up there.
You did nothing.
Oh, hold the line. Come on. So close. Waiting for it's waiting for user 13 so he gets closed out of all his positions. We got 1 minute left, right? I'm in a long right now. I need to hit 549s. Oh my god, this thing's gonna fucking drain me, dude. Get up there, man. We should be Gucci. We should. Problem is, when it takes too long, sometimes you can just lose the momentum, you know what I mean? Eight, 6, 7.
So less than 5 minutes ago,
5,
until we get
3,
Nike
9.
Q4 2026 earnings, EPS estimate of 12 cents, revenue estimate of $10.84 billion.
Real 9. Oh my fuck, dude. What is your deal, market? What the fuck is your problem? The fuck is your problem? Fucking baby back. What a major loss right there. Come on. Fucking hit it by a point, too. For hours. I know. 2 hours I waited for this fall. You know, I finally like transitioned to like maybe it's just not gonna fall, and I started going long, and now look what happened. What's crazy is this was a 1 micro, and I added for the dips, and it just keeps going down now. $22.30. What's the news at $22.30? Oh, Nike Q4 earnings. All right. That comes out in 2 minutes. Nike. This thing just keeps drowning me out. Thank you, market. You're the best thing ever. Ever. All right, 1 more minute till Nike. And watch it be what I normally fucking thought it was going to be. All the way down here, dude. 418s. Obviously, I can't hold it to there. I really shouldn't be holding it, period, past this.
Surely expecting earnings from Nike. Burry says he shorted Tesla, Nvidia, and Applied Materials. Again, Michael Burry says he shorted Tesla, Nvidia, and Applied Materials.
Six seconds. Wow.
Q4 revenue of $10.97 billion compared to $11.10 billion year on year. EPS of 72 cents compared to 14 cents year on year.
Hoping it was
Q4
gonna
revenue
launch.
of $10.97 billion. That's minus 1.1% year on year.
Go up, dude.
Greater China EBIT of $243 million, down 20% year on year. Total Nike brand revenue of $10.72 billion, down 0.4% year on year. Inventory $7.5 billion, that's plus 0.2% year on year. So Nike rising 5% after posting fourth quarter results.
I'm waiting a little bit. I'm just turning off the camera. I gotta wrap this up. Fucking bounce, dude. I hate this fucking market. That's it. I'm gonna go for it all or none right now. I'll break even on the day then. So many supports here. If it breaks this though, I'm
Also,
done.
Nike North America revenue of $4.83 billion. That's plus 2.7% year on year.
Come on. 511s I need above.
Let's get Nike posting earnings that surpass expectations in the latest quarter. As said, they are up about 5% after Q4 results. So just keep an eye on the on Nike. So far, post market now up around 1%.
There's so many resistance blocks here. Bully blocks all over the place. Probably the 78% pullback. I would at least assume a sympathy bounce here. This structure looks hideous, dude. Hideous. 78 now. I don't see why this doesn't at least come back up to my area, and I will feel thankful for sure. Okay, another entry, bullish entry here. We had a bullish entry here too. It did go up, but not as much as I wanted it to, that's for sure. All right. Come on. Ugh. It's just bleeding now. If it continues down, then no good, dude. Like, just real shit luck. The volume's just not there, too, obviously. Michael Burry has shorted Tesla, Nvidia, and materials. Oh, wow. He's thinking this is the top. This thing is pissing me the fuck off, dude. That's supposed to get off fucking 20 minutes ago. I fucking hate you, market. Go up. Dude, come on. You could do it. There you go. I was gonna say, it doesn't make sense why he's going down. Come on. Break the resistance. All right, guys, I gotta get off. I'm gonna have to manage this through my phone. I got shit I gotta do. I do go on vacation tomorrow. I am gonna try to do like an hour of stream on the go, on my go bag. But if I'm not, I'm sorry. But I will communicate with you guys in Discord. I think this goes up, but I don't know. End of day, volume's dead. If you guys want prop firm, the one I use is Lucid. Use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. We'll do a giveaway next week. And then hopefully we'll get some more. Other than that, hit that follow button.
Bully Bears is out. Deuces.
Daddy, chill.